In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to copy a table in Notion, step by step, whether you want to duplicate a table on the same page or copy it over to an entirely different page. This is super useful if you're working with templates, tracking data, or reusing the same table structure for different projects. If you're new to Notion, or even if you've been using it for a while, this quick tutorial will save you a lot of time. And before we jump in, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy Notion tutorials like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open Notion and create a new page. This page will be used to demonstrate how tables work and how you can copy them. You can give this page any title you want depending on your use case. Once the page is ready, click anywhere on the page and type a / on your keyboard. This opens the Notion block menu. From the list of options, start typing Table, and then click on Table when it appears. This will instantly create a new table block on your page. Now that the table is created, you can start customizing it based on your needs. You can add column headings, rename them, and start entering your data. For example, you might add custom headings like Name, Status, Date, or any other information you want to track. Go ahead and fill in a few rows so you can clearly see how the table looks with real data inside it. This step is important because when you copy the table, all of this structure and information will be carried over. Once your table is ready, let's look at the first method to copy it on the same page. Move your mouse to the left side of the table until you see the 6-dot icon. This icon is the block menu for the table. Click on those 6 dots, and from the menu that appears, click on Duplicate. As soon as you do that, Notion will create an exact copy of the table right below the original one. The duplicated table will include the same columns, rows, and data, so you can immediately reuse it or edit it for new information. You can now change the duplicated table however you like, update the headings, edit the rows, or replace the content with new custom information. This is perfect when you want to reuse the same format multiple times on a single page without starting from scratch every time. Now let's move on to the second method, which is copying a table to another page. This is useful if you want to move a table into a different workspace or section in Notion. First, make sure your table is finalized with any edits you want. Then select the entire table by clicking and dragging your mouse across it while holding down the left mouse button. Once the whole table is selected, press Ctrl+C on your keyboard to copy it. If you're on a Mac, you can use Command+C instead. Next, create a new page in Notion where you want to paste the table. Give this new page a heading or title that fits your needs. After that, click anywhere on the page where you want the table to appear and press Ctrl+V on your keyboard or Command+V on Mac. Instantly, the full table will be pasted into the new page with all its rows, columns, and data intact. You can now continue editing it, add new rows or columns, or customize it further for this new page. And that's it. That's how you can easily copy a table in Notion, both on the same page and across different pages. It's a simple process, but it can make a huge difference in how efficiently you work inside Notion. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more Notion tips, tricks, and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.